Welcome. If you've ever wished you could access your favorite website with just a single tap from your phone's home screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a website shortcut to your home screen using the Chrome app, and this method is fully updated for 2025. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone and open the Chrome app. Now, navigate to the website you want quick access to. Maybe it's your favorite news site, a productivity tool, or even your go-to recipe blog. Once the site is loaded, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the Chrome window. That's your menu button. Give those three dots a tap. A menu will slide down with a bunch of options. Scroll a little if you need to and find the one that says Add to Home Screen. Tap it. Chrome will now ask you to confirm the shortcut. You can choose to rename it if you want, or just leave the default name. When you're ready, hit Add. That's it. Chrome will instantly place an icon for that website right on your home screen, just like an app. Now, whenever you want to visit that site, just tap the shortcut and Chrome will open it up for you. No need to type in the address or search for it again. This trick works on any Android device with Chrome installed, and it's perfect for making your most used sites easier to reach. You can even organize these shortcuts into folders, move them around, or remove them just like any other app icon. So, next time you find yourself visiting the same website over and over, save yourself a few taps and add it straight to your home screen. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech how-tos.